All right, everyone. Very good morning, very good evening. Welcome to my channel. This is Mallikarjun here. Right. So, in this particular today's session, quickly talk about ADRCI. That is a diagnostic tool. Uh, that's a single place where you can, you know, automate or you can diagnose or you can see multiple diagnostic log related to your database. You don't need to go to different location. You don't need to check for the different logs like alert log, trace file, and your incidence file, cdump file, codump file, all those things. Everything can be done with one single command line tool, right? So here in this particular Oracle lab one, I have this DBDB database and I can explore more on this particular ADRCI. ADRCI is a command line interface to diagnostic your database related logs, your listener logs, database log, alert log, trace file, incidence file, code dump files, etc. Everything can be bundled and create a package and then send it to Oracle support. Whenever you are dealing with any critical issue for a database, Oracle support team is going to ask you, can you provide ADRCI dump file so that we can review throughout your entire database how it's going to perform. So using this ADRCI, you can create a package including all these diagnostic logs in one single. First and foremost thing, so I can connect to my ADRCI using a by setting the environment variable. If I see grepora, env grepora, devdb, oracle base, oracle home, everything is set. I can simply run ADRCI. It's going to go to my ADRCI command line. I can check what is my current base set using show base. It says ADR base U01 app Oracle. I can use set. If it is not set, you can use set base like U02 app Oracle. If your ADR base is not set, you can use this set base and you can give that one. Right now, this is not a valid ADR home, so I'm going to throw this error message. Right now, I want to check what are the homes available in this particular ADR base. Like if I do show home path, show home path, right? So we have multiple homes here. One devdb, dev test, UAT, dev CDB, test CDB, OSL standby, your clients, listener, so many things. So I want to set my devdb for my diagnostic. So I can say set home path, and I'm going to give this base, diag, RDBMS, devdb, and devdb. Done. So now you are particularly set this particular home. If I do show home path, it will show only one home now. Fair enough. Good. We are able to set my particular database for diagnostic now. Now I want to see the alert log of my devdb database. I can do simply show alert. Right. This is my current alert log. If I do shift G, you're gonna go at the end of the alert log. Fair enough. I can come out of that. Quit. Like now I want to do show alert last 100 lines or last 10 lines. Hyphen tail, I can say simply 10. It will show you this alert log. Right now that entire alert log it showed. Now I want to see only last 10 line. Show alert. So show alert tail and it's going to be like just last 10 line of your alert log. Fair enough. Now I want to purge this alert log trace incidents. That can be done. I no need to go to physical location and then like let's say if I do locate alert underscore devdb dot log. So this is my alert log. If I do, I learn the same command tail hyphen 10f. If I do this one, it will give the same last 10 log, whatever we saw here, private stands not, and then whatever we are seeing here, tables is WRP, like same thing, tables is WRP. This is the tail command. So I can purge this alert log. Whatever the trace files, alert log, incidents, everything, I can delete them here. So other than manually I'm deleting it from OS level, I can go to my ADR, show base, show home path, set home path, to my DevDB. Show home path again. So it will set to my DevDB. Now I can simply run purge -age 600 -type alert. Age type. There's a typo here. Type alert. Done. Everything is purged. So I want to purge my trace files. Purge age 600 type trace. And I want to purge my incidents. Same thing, incident here. I want to purge my C dumps. Right. So these are like simplest way to purge all of them. So this is older than 600. I'm talking about the minutes. 600 older than 600 minutes. So everything will be purged over here. So if I before that, okay, we'll see all these things in a minute. But now I want to understand there are two control utilities here. One is a long policy and the short policy. So long policy is for your alert logs, your alerts, your incidents, sweep, stage, and your health monitoring logs. And your short policy is for your trace files, your CDump, UTS CDumps, and IPS log files. So your short policy default retained for 30 days, older than 30 days, everything will be deleted. So again, I can probably take a look here. One is a long policy, another one is a short policy. So for the long policy, the files included are your alerts, your incident, your sweep, and your stage, and your health monitor logs. And then long policy will be default retained for 365 days. And your short policy will be retained for default 30 days. Older than 30 days, all logs will be deleted default. So your trace files, your CDump files, and your UTS dumps and your IPS. So all these files will be written for 30 days and then older than that it will be deleted. So you can see them by looking at show control. Show control will be too much here, but let's understand here. Short policy, long policy, like short policy is 720, long policy is this one. Let's quickly calculate that one. 720 divided by 60, 12, 720 is, give me a second. All right, sorry for that. Let's cancel it. It will be 720 divided by its hours and then divided by 24. It will be 30 days. Yeah. Short policy is for 30 days and long policy is 8760. Let's call it 8760 hours divided by 24 hours. It will be 365 days. Okay, one year. Right, that is your current setting. So I want to change that settings. I can do like this. Set control short policy for instead of 720 to 40. That will be of 15 days. Right, and then again long policy I can set it for 600, 30 days. So if I do show control, same thing, 240, that's 15 days, 600 hours, that will be 30 days. Right, so that is about your the default settings. And now I can do show incidents. So right now, show incidents, and for the DB database, 0 incidents. and like I can create an incident package like IPS create package incident. So right now no incidents and it will not be created any package. So I can create a package like whatever the directory I wanted, like IPS package incident under temp directory. So right now again no incidents and it's not going to create any incidents directly. So for example, show home. I have some other homes we can check for that. Um, let's say I can set it for my UAT, set home path for UAT. If I do show incident for my UAT, so there are so many. There are 21 incidents are reported for that. So I can run the IPS create package incident. Again, the database is down. I cannot do it. So I can do again this command also, same thing. The database is down, I cannot do it. Anyway, so that is one thing. Again, I set back to my dev, set home path run. So that is creating a incidents, or else I can create my empty package using IPS create package. That's one package created with one without any content. So the package name is one. So now I can dump it using whatever, like I can say IPS add incident. So whatever the incident number, you have to get your incident number. These are your incident number here. Whatever you're seeing incident ID, this is the incident IDs. So you have to give this incident IDs, IPS add incident ID into your package. So your package, right now package created, package is one. So that's your package number. You have to give that number one and then run it. So right now it says no incident. Once we do it, it's gonna create the package with the log file and then you can give that one. Right, and then right. So once that is done, uh, we can we can add it into a different directory. Right now it's going to default go into your home directory and then your package will be created over there. So you can add multiple incident number into a same package. Right now it is one command like add incident number into package, add another incident number into package. You can keep on adding that. Right, so the log file will be generated under your home directory and then you can use it. So that is adding your uh, incidents. So same thing, you can add for a particular log file. You have a log file, like for example, let's say I'll take one of the log file. Do I have any log file here? Okay, this is my. Do I have any log file? Okay, I'll just take. Mm, okay, let's exit. I want to take one log file. Let's say, okay, this is my log file. Let's take this log file. This is home. Under this home, I have this, let's say small one. This is my small log file. Okay, this log file, I can add it into my incident. Go back, go back to your ADRCI and set your Oracle home. Sorry, set your direct home. Set your home path for your ADR home. Show home path. Show home path. Right, it is set now. Now I can say same command, whatever I added here. IPS add incident. Instead of incident, I can say IPR add file. The file, what file I want to add? I want to add this file, right? After you adding a file, add into which package? The package number 1, right? So it says directory is outside of your ADR home path. So this particular file, it is outside of your ADR home, so we're not gonna take it out. So you have to go back and then get any file under your ADR base or ADR home. Let's say I can go into CD home Oracle diag, sorry, U01 app Oracle diag, and then your RDBMS. So I just want to get one of the log file under this, let's say alert, and we have this log file. What's the size of that? Okay, just a few. Let's say this is the log XML file, and then try this one now. ADRCI back again, and then I'm gonna set the home path. So verify your home path. Right now, same command, IPS add a file, and your file path is here, and then your package. Right. So added one file. This is your file into this package. Fair enough. So now this is the empty package what we created earlier. After that, we can keep on adding the incidents, log files, alert files into that same package. Now I can generate a file, like same command. I can say IPS generate package 1 in where I want to generate. I want to generate under my home directory. Let's say home slash Oracle slash. Let's generate that file. Right. The file generated, you can see here home Oracle IPS package and today's date and timestamp, and this is a zip file. So then you can pass this zip file to Oracle support, and then they will understand and then they will analyze it. Right, like suppose you got your a zip file, package file, and you want to unzip them. Right, I can do that one. Like let's say same IPS unpack file, whatever this file, into temp. So now if I, let's say, exit from here, go into temp, and then diag, go into that RDBMS, dev. So this is what it has generated for you with the today's date here. Right, fair enough. Let's go back now. So now we did the empty package. We added into instance alerts and log files into that package, and we bundled that package. We sent to Oracle support, and same bundled file we unpacked it. Right now, I can give a particular timestamp to combine all of the between 12 o'clock to between morning 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Like 10-20 incidents are generated. I can give a timestamp to dump all of them into that particular timestamp. Like for example, I can set one more time home path. Like let's say I can run this IPS pack time, what you want, like which time you want. I want 2024, 2024, 03 and 25 between 12:00 to 25 12:00 to same thing 1 hour 13:00. Hopefully there won't be any uh, IPS packed anything like now again generated temp package not completed again whatever generated inside that uh, all the incidents occurs between that particular time everything will be reported over there. So now I can say show sorry like IPS show package IPS show again it's a the case insensitive so either a small letter or capital letter doesn't matter. Show packages package one what we created empty package and later we added some files into that and it has included 24 files. The package ID 2 that is automatically what we generated here using this IPS package ID 2. So it says this is the package ID and included 28 files inside that. So I can do this one like same command IPS show package. I want to check for my package 1 with the details with the detail. So right you can see what all it included all those 24 files your database ADR alert ADR home trace incidents and packages all the incident packages right so all of them are included over here. So now I want to delete these packages IPS delete package 1. So now if I do same command here show packages it will be now only one. Earlier when we did a show packages it gave me 2 packages. Now if I do the same thing it's going to give me only 1 package that package number 2. Great. If I want to remove certain incidents like if I do I um show package to details so it's going to give me all of them. So now I want to remove the incidents like IPS remove package 7 package 2. So I don't have incident number like let's say any incident file ID file location file name mm, no incidents. So if there's any incident like incident number 2 3 4 like give that incident number and remove that from that package it's going to remove. Right, so if you want to remove like right now what it says uh, file location file name last sequence included it's all like file so I can say IPS remove file so I can say file 50 from package 2 no such a file we cannot access. I'm just trying it out let's say file ID so we can remove incidents we can remove problem right so file ID is not details over there. Okay, now finally I can remove this package too also. I don't need it. How we removed here. Um, next same command, package one, right. So go ahead and then run the same command, IPS delete package two, and then your second package will be deleted. IPS show package. Right now, no packages. Right, so that's all for today's session, playing around ADRCI and making use of our DBA day-to-day activities much more simpler. So this is the Oracle reference documentations. You can go ahead and then refer them. I can quickly show them over here. This is for 12C and this is for your 19C. So this is your ADR base for 19C. And then similarly for you have your ADR base and commands for your 12.2. So you can refer them and then play around them. Thank you guys. We'll see you in our next session.